Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Nissan Micra 2012. This is a K13 and I'm just gonna show you, this is a petrol car by the way, it's a 1.2 I think or 1.4. I'm just gonna show you how to check the oil level. So I have my dipstick here, and in this dipstick there are two dots. So let's try to focus on that. You have one dot there and another one there. So the one on the left here would be the minimum and the one on the right would be the maximum. So I'm aiming to check the oil and hopefully be towards this end here. If you find that your oil is towards this end, you may want to top up a little bit. So let's just have a quick look at what I have in here. So I'm just going to get a bit of paper there so I can show you. But basically the dipstick obviously will be located in this hole, and I'm checking it. The car is at the moment is cold. It's cold, so the oil is a bit thicker. It will be easier to see where it is. Right, so it's in. Now I'll take it out. And you can already see that this is at the top. It's right by the, there's a little bubble there. Yeah, it's right by the little hole on the right hand side. So this the level of this is actually good. I'm happy with that. It hasn't really gone down much because this car was serviced about 4 months ago or so, but it hasn't really done many miles. It's done maybe 2,000 miles or so. So I would expect the oil to be on the top end. But like I said, if your oil was not there but somewhere down here, then you want to top up a bit. If it was in the middle, you're still okay, but you could consider maybe topping up a tiny little bit, 100 mil or so, and then you can see where you're at. So always top up very small amounts if you're on the minimum, so it doesn't, because some cars between the min and the max there's like a liter, 1 liter, but some cars it's only 500 mil and other cars even 300 mils. So obviously if you put a liter in a particular model, it could take you up to here, so you don't want that. So that's why if you put it in small amounts, and by the way the oil goes in here, so that's where you will actually pour the oil in. It's got a little oil, a little engine with an oil drawing there. So that is where that would go. And well, having said that, actually before I go, I normally use 5W30, and I'm here in the UK, so temperature are not extreme, but that's the usual oil grade I use, 5W30. So anyway, having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.